Imagine a world of mighty palaces and skilled warriors, a world where writing flourished and trade routes hummed with activity. This was the Mycenaean civilization, the Greece of heroes and legends. But then, darkness fell. Between the 12th and 8th centuries BCE, this vibrant civilization crumbled. Palaces lay in ruins, writing vanished. The Mycenaeans, rulers of the Aegean, faded into obscurity. What caused this catastrophic collapse? Some point to invading armies sweeping down from the north. Others blame climate change, disrupting agriculture and sowing chaos. Internal strife, perhaps a struggle for power among Mycenaean kings, could have also played a role. The exact cause remains a mystery, a puzzle lost to time. The collapse of the Mycenaeans ushered in a period known as the Greek Dark Ages. This was not a time of absolute darkness, but a time when knowledge and prosperity dwindled. The art of writing, once used to record everything from palace accounts to epic poems, disappeared. Without written records, much of this era remains shrouded in mystery. We are left with only tantalizing glimpses into the lives of those who lived through this tumultuous period. The Greek Dark Ages were a time of profound change. With the collapse of the Mycenaean palaces, the centralized power structures crumbled. People abandoned the once great cities, seeking safety and sustenance in smaller communities. Life became rural and agricultural. Families relied on subsistence farming and herding to survive. Trade dwindled, and contact with the outside world diminished. Yet even in this diminished world, the human spirit endured. Families banded together, forming the bedrock of society. Oral traditions became paramount, with stories, myths, and songs passed down through generations. These tales, carried on the breath of storytellers, preserved the history, values, and beliefs of the past. Religion, too, offered solace and guidance. People continued to worship the gods of their ancestors, though the grand temples of the Mycenaean era fell into disrepair. Small shrines and household altars became common, places where families could offer prayers and sacrifices. The gods and goddesses of the Greek pantheon, from mighty Zeus to wise Athena, remained a constant presence in their lives. Despite the loss of writing, the Greeks of the Dark Ages left behind clues to their existence. Archaeologists have uncovered remnants of their settlements, pottery shards, tools, and weapons. These artifacts offer a glimpse into their daily lives, their skills, and their beliefs. Graves, too, hold secrets. Burial customs provide insights into their beliefs about the afterlife and the importance of family and community. One of the most intriguing mysteries of this time is the Linear B script. This ancient writing system, used by the Mycenaeans, vanished along with their civilization. For centuries, its meaning remained a puzzle, its symbols a silent echo of a lost world. Then in the 1950s, a breakthrough occurred. A brilliant architect and amateur linguist named Michael Ventris cracked the code. He discovered that Linear B was an early form of Greek, preserving fragments of Mycenaean language and culture. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of the Mycenaean world, shedding light on their administration, economy, and even their religious beliefs. Section 4. Light from the Ashes. As the Dark Ages progressed, a gradual transformation began to take shape. From the ashes of the Mycenaean world, a new Greece emerged. The population grew and communities expanded. Trade routes reopened, connecting Greece with the wider Mediterranean world. New ideas and technologies flowed into the region, stimulating innovation. One of the most significant developments was the rise of the polis, or city-state. These independent city-states, each with its own government and identity, became the building blocks of Greek civilization. Athens, Sparta, Corinth, Thebes, these and other city-states would shape the course of Greek history. Another pivotal change was the shift from bronze to iron. Iron, a more abundant and durable metal, revolutionized warfare and agriculture. Iron weapons gave Greek warriors an edge in battle, while iron tools made farming more efficient. This technological advancement had a profound impact on Greek society, paving the way for expansion and prosperity.